Both the basic and scientific calculators can convert units for different items. To get started, go to the calculator icon and turn on Convert. You can then choose the unit you want to convert, and you do this by tapping on the unit that is either at the top or at the bottom of the line that is separating the two units. The calculator can convert 15 different categories of units that you can scroll through to find what you want to convert. It is all listed in alphabetic order. The calculator lists the units you want to convert for each category when you select one. For example, you can pick the area category to convert square meters to square feet. Of the two numbers, one is white, and that is the active number, and the other one is gray, which is the inactive number. So each time you enter a number using the calculator, the white one is the one that changes because that is the active one. And the gray one automatically responds to the changes that you're entering with the calculator. But in this case, let's assume that you only know the square feet, not the square meters. So if you want to change the active number, you simply tap on the gray one to make it active. And then it will turn white. Once you start entering anything, it's now the active one. You can switch the two units to change how they appear on the screen if you want the one at the bottom and the top and vice versa. Simply switch the two. But this doesn't affect the active number. So your active number can either be above or below this line separating the two units. When looking for units to convert, you can search for them in the search bar above your categories. It helps you work faster when you already know the units available in the app.